karon guys, ato ang kaning video is about unboxing and review of Lazada product, no? I-order ta og product sa Lazada pagka 11/11 sale sa Lazada. Handrill, no? This is a handrill gisil sa Lazada. It's 1,447. Okay, ato ni siya abihan ni siya guys, ang handrill guys, no? Manabot na to, ay deliver. Ang atong consignee kay ipa-deliver na to ni sa tong isuon nasa syudad. Mas maayo nga ato sa syudad na to ipa-deliver kay barato ra og delivery fee. Kaysa atong ipalargo gid diri sa tua diri sa Apo, Argao, Cebu. Pitinang mahala, no? Mas makasave ta, especially kung naay maka-travel, no? From sa city dito, no? So this is sold by Nas Hardware. So Nas Hardware. So this is from Manila. Delivered by Lex PH, no? This is the delivery the courier ni Lazada. Okay, so let's start the unboxing guys. Okay, so atong ikuan guys, atong ipakuan ta mo, i-walk through ta mo sa pag-order nako ani nga product sa Lazada during the 11/11 sale sa Lazada guys. Okay, so ang pag-order nato sa Lazada guys dito during the 11/11 sale sa Lazada, natay Lazada app dire. Actually we have natay pwede ta maka-order sa Shopee. Okay, so we have Lazada. So this is the official Lazada app. Dayon, let's go to my cart. Okay, to my profile. So to review para makita ari sa to review ari nato makita ang katong mga atong gipang order, no? So during the 11/11 sale sa Lazada guys, ga-order ko 100 pieces black screw 1 inch, 500 pieces black screw 2 inch, no? For gypsum wood or any wood guys, 500 pieces black screw, 1 for wood. Okay, so review. So natay separate video na guys sa unboxing na to, ang order na to. Then original multi-purpose laser level PRO3 laser measure, 12 volts, 6 ampere full automatic car battery charger, full HD 100p webcam for PC, webcam for online. So now again guys, we have separate nga unboxing ug review ani nga mga items guys nga product. Bundle 2.0 liter stainless steel electric kettle, no? 1500 watts. Okay, I hope nga 1500 watts gina siya. So mo na si picture, nagawas na ang picture. Hinay kay ang internet ron, I don't know why, pero as usual nagina siya. D&D paint zoom spray gun ultimate portable painting. So this is kani nga mga order guys, kay dili ni siya pang pang heavy duty guys, no? This is not for power use good nga kanang heavy gid nga working, no? So this is only for DIY projects. Natay D&D paint zoom for our painting, no? Then we have an AOTUO. Okay, nabalik. So we have a AOTUO 12 volts, 18 volts, and 36 volts lithium ion cordless. So we have the handle, impact handle, 36 volts. Again, natay separate unboxing and review ani nga handle. Also this paint zoom spray gun na sa taana. Then nag-order po tawag aluminum tripod, digital camera tripod guys, para sa ato ang recording. And also guys, the most important one, the Lotus electric jigsaw guys. I hope na authentic ni, no? Then kay nakoy nani na sa una pero nasunog to siya, abi to siya sunog. Nasad koy handrail cordless nasunog sa apil, nasad ko kaning pin zoom nasunog sa so nagawas na ang mga picture guys. So man ang mga pictures no, mga screw atong ipang order na ay kuan kanang measuring device, natay charger. We have also full HD 180p webcam. Then napo tay 2.0 stainless steel LP kettle no, bundle na siya. Okay, so okay. So mao na siya guys. So mao tong gi-order. So karon guys ang atong video nga ato na siyang i-unbox ang kani siya guys. This one, this AOTUO 12 volts, 18 volts and 36 volts. AOTUO. Ito. AOTUO. So this is the product nga atong gi-order guys. So this one. Uy. Ibrato na magtaman. Mao na siya. Grabe ka barato. Yung busog taman. My goodness. Oh my god is so kani nga order nako guys. This is kuan ni siya kanang mura ni siya matawag na to og kanang suicide order no. Kay during the mga review diri nga bati man ang ilang review, I have a disappointment on the product. I have ordered a 36 volts drill. The seller advised that it is 60 volts but only charge up to roughly 21 volts. Okay. Ayos naman, mukhang matibay naman, kompleto, okay, pareho battery, charge ko rin. Maayos ang packaging, good job seller. Okay. So atong gibuhat, gi-order ginato ni siya. So again, this is a suicide order. Okay. 1,008 na, my god. So pero again guys, kuan na siya no, pang DIY no, dili ni siya pang heavy project. So okay, so atuan ang sugdan ang pag-unbox ani nga AOTUO cordless hand drill. So, mga na guys, ang sulod no sa hand drill na AOTUO. Okay. So, kompleto na siya accessories. Parehara siya sa katong milk tank na ko nga napalit sa una. Ano siya mga drill bit, no? Ready to use. Na siya manual, general power tools, safety warning for all power tools. Working area. Okay, so manual guys. Charger into the power source. Okay, charging, after charging. Pila ka ano. Okay, so natay manual. So we have the charger cushioned. Okay, so we have the charger 110 to 240 volts AC, 5 to 60 hertz. Output is 21 volts to 98 volts. Then we have the battery guys. That's battery. Okay, so this is the battery guys, 36 volts. Okay, nangantag 36 volts nini siya. Pero dali na kayo ni guys. Sige lang. So, one battery. This one battery guys. And another battery guys. Another spare battery. Okay. So, kung malubat ang usa, yung makapadayan lang itong tagtrabaho guys, kay naman siya spare battery. Okay. So, nice. And the main actor guys sa ato ang video guys karon kay kani ang AOTUO handless corn drill. Nice kasi build guys oh. Nice kasi build oh. Murag transformer. Okay, so as you can see guys, nice kasi build. AOTUO. Kamo na bahala sa na pagbasa. Okay. Okay. The same as prayer po sa uban guys. Papailis mo bit. Tiyo ko na nimo ni siya no. Okay. So testingan na to guys. Insert na to ni siya. I hope na naani siya sulod no. Naani sulod, di na siya bakante. Okay, so lock na ay reverse function. Okay. 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 Wala, sugana po siya. Not bad guys, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Sugan kayo. So na yung musiga diri, unsa kay ni musiga nga lights. So ato ra na masuta. On, oh, on sa ginsa. Okay. Mura magkusgan. Okay, nice, nice. Na ay mga bits diri guys. So try na to. So, okay guys. Function man, mo function pero madlo ko mo kuan ani og steel nga butaw. Pang kuan ani, pang bangag ra ni kahoy. No? Okay, working naman siya. Testingan na to ang usa guys, tingnan na to ang usa nga battery. No? Okay. Disi mo kadihara guys, no? Working ang battery. I hope nga magdugay. atong testingan og mag-testing ta og charge sa battery guys. So ni uli. Okay, so nasa tubangan ang charger. Ito slow ko naman siguro na. There is no other way. Okay. So, bang! Okay. So, nag-charge na siguro guys. So, na-dere sa charging. Charging. Before using the drill, charge the battery as follows. Insert the battery in the charger. Position the battery so that the nameplate focus towards the flat of the charger and press the battery until it comes into contact with the bottom plate. Connect the charger power cord to the receptacle. Connecting the power cord will turn on the charger. The pilot lamp lights. Caution: if the pilot lamp does not light, pull out the power cord from the receptacle and check the battery mounting condition. About 1 hour is required to fully charge the battery. So 1 hour a day at a temperature about 20 degrees Celsius. The pilot lamp goes green to indicate that the battery is fully charged. Okay, so kani siya, so nagpula man ni siya ron, no? So nagpula man ni, mo green ni siya ug mo charge. Disconnect the charger with the cord protocol. Hold the charger tight and pull out the battery. Okay, so mo green na siya guys, no? Kung mo fully charge. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is the AOTUO cordless handle. Nice grip guys. Okay kayo? Okay. Okay, so far working siya. It's not a hand drill. Again, this is not for power use, no? Dili ni pang heavy duty. This is only for DIY projects. Okay guys, before ta mag hatag sa tong review guys ani nga product sa Lazada. So don't forget to subscribe in our channel, Mabi TV. Hit the notification bell para updated mo sa atong mga sunod nga videos, no? DIY projects, unboxing reviews, travel, and mukbang guys, mukbang. I will try to do mukbang guys next videos. Okay guys, so maghatag na ta sa to ang review sa product, no? Kaning AOTUO. Ano ni pagbasa mo? Ano ni pagbasa?
Dolo gyud ba akito?
Ha? Akito ha gud eh. AOTUO? AOTUO. Okay. So maghatag na ta og review sa AOTUO nga cordless drill. Okay? So let's go to the Lazada application. Okay, Lazada. Okay, waiting for the internet. Makisama ka naman. Okay. So arito sa atong account guys, tap account. Then go to my orders, then naatay to pay, to ship. to receive and to review. So itataning to review guys. Then let's go to the AOTUO nga product. Okay, itap na to. Then tap review. Okay. Okay, so we are now in the review form sa Lazada. So far guys, I am satisfied with the product. The packaging sa product, it's good, very good. 5 star. And also the product itself, it's working for me. It's working. So akong buha a 5 star. Wow, it's 5 star. What did you like or dislike specifically about this product? Share your experience with others. So I like the belt guys. I like the belt of the product. Looks looks durable, and I hope na tatagal. Okay, so this is my shopping and handling. Okay, delightful. Seller service. Okay, positive. Upload video, no? So this is the product. So this is the product guys. So we're going to upload a photo lang, picture. Okay, so upload a photo, take picture. Okay, okay. Okay, internet na po si internet game. Okay, let's wait guys kaya ma-upload ang photo sa ato ang review. Okay, tuyok. Abuton lang to ni. Okay, so I think na uploaded na ang ato ang picture. Okay, hunong naman, so let's submit. Thank you for your feedback. Okay, so congrats. Write a review. Mission completed. Go claim your coins. Okay. So napatay mga product na i-unbox and review guys.